Every week, hundreds of millions of dollars sit in a Powerball jackpot. And every week, people pick their numbers the same way. They always have. Birthdays, lucky numbers, gut feeling, no data, no strategy, just hope. But here's what the lottery doesn't tell you. Those 69 balls, they don't all behave the same way. The machines are mechanical, the balls wear differently. Patterns exist, and if you know where to look, you can find them. SlickPick Gaming analyzes hundreds of past Powerball drawings and breaks all 69 numbers into 3 smart pools: hot numbers hitting right now, mid numbers in the middle of the pack, and due numbers that are statistically overdue. Instead of guessing from 69, you're picking from a focused, data-driven pool. Smarter odds, every single draw. Generate optimized plays in one click. Print your picks directly onto your state's official Powerball slip. No filling in bubbles by hand. Save your strategy with a full analysis report. And with the Power Wheeler, wheel your numbers for maximum coverage across every combination. SlickPick Gaming. One tool, data-driven picks. Direct slip printing. For players who are serious about playing smarter. Get it today at SlickPickGaming.com. One-time purchase, $35. No subscriptions, no gimmicks. Just the smartest Powerball tool available. Stop guessing. Start winning. SlickPickGaming.com.